Pests pose a significant threat to restaurants, especially in bustling culinary hubs like Edgware Road in London. Their presence not only compromises hygiene standards, but also jeopardizes the reputation and success of food establishments. A single sighting of a rodent or cockroach can deter customers, leading to financial losses and damage to brand image. Implementing robust pest control measures is not just good practice, but a legal requirement for restaurants in the UK. Food safety regulations mandate that businesses take all necessary steps to prevent pests from gaining access to premises and contaminating food. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in hefty fines, closures, and legal action. Beyond the legal ramifications, effective pest control safeguards the health of staff and customers. Pests carry a multitude of diseases, and their presence increases the risk of food poisoning outbreaks. By investing in professional pest management, restaurant owners demonstrate their commitment to providing a safe and enjoyable dining experience. In conclusion, pest control is non-negotiable for restaurants in the UK. It is a legal obligation, a business imperative, and a moral responsibility. By prioritizing hygiene and implementing comprehensive pest management strategies, restaurants can protect their customers, staff, and bottom line. Pests are incredibly resourceful when it comes to infiltrating buildings, often exploiting even the smallest gaps and cracks. To effectively prevent infestations, restaurants must adopt a proactive approach, identifying and sealing potential entry points. Common entry points include gaps around doors and windows, cracks in walls and foundations, and openings where utilities enter the building. Inspecting these areas regularly and sealing any gaps with cork, steel wool, or other appropriate materials can significantly reduce the risk of pest intrusion. Ventilation systems and drains also provide access points for pests. Installing screens on vents and ensuring drains are properly sealed can prevent rodents and insects from using these routes to enter the premises. By taking these preventative measures, restaurants create a formidable barrier against pests, making it significantly more challenging for them to gain access. While sealing entry points is crucial, ongoing monitoring is essential to detect and address any pest activity promptly. Both staff areas and common areas for customers, both indoors and outdoors, should be subject to regular inspections. Staff areas, including kitchens, storage rooms, and waste disposal areas, require particular attention. These areas often provide pests with food, water, and shelter, making them prime targets for infestation. Daily inspections for signs of pest activity, such as droppings, gnaw marks, or unusual odors, are crucial. Common areas for customers, including dining areas, restrooms, and outdoor seating areas, should also be inspected regularly. Customers are more likely to spot pests in these areas, and any sightings can quickly damage a restaurant's reputation. Encourage staff to report any signs of pests immediately, and implement a system for logging and addressing these reports promptly. By maintaining a high level of vigilance and responding quickly to any signs of pest activity, restaurants can prevent infestations from taking hold and minimize the risk of negative consequences. Rodents, such as rats and mice, pose a significant threat to restaurants, contaminating food, damaging property, and spreading diseases. Implementing effective rodent control measures is essential for maintaining hygiene standards and complying with UK health and safety regulations. One of the most effective methods for rodent control is baiting. Placing tamper-proof bait stations strategically around the premises can help eliminate existing rodent populations and deter new infestations. It's crucial to use rodenticides approved for use in food establishments and to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Trapping is another option for controlling rodents. Snap traps and live traps can be effective, but they must be placed correctly and checked regularly. If using live traps, it's important to release captured rodents far from the premises to prevent them from returning. In addition to baiting and trapping, restaurants should take steps to make their premises less attractive to rodents. This includes storing food in sealed containers, disposing of waste properly, and eliminating sources of water. By denying rodents access to food, water, and shelter, restaurants can significantly reduce the risk of infestation. UK health and safety laws require restaurants to have a documented pest control plan, outlining the measures in place to prevent and control pests. This plan should be reviewed and updated regularly to ensure its effectiveness. By implementing a comprehensive rodent control program and complying with legal requirements, restaurants can protect their business, staff and customers from the risks associated with these pests.